Hello everyone, this is Marian and today I'm going to show you how to sign into the Brosix web client. The web client application runs in the web browser and does not require any installation or download. It uses the same security methods as all the other Brosix applications, so you should worry about nothing. To access the Brosix web client, you need to open our official website or enter its web address web.brosix.com. If you're accessing the application through the website, you need to click on Login, Login to Web App, and enter your details. You can find your details in your first Brosix email. And that's it. You're ready to use our web application and enjoy its numerous features.
What's more, the web application can also be installed for easier access. The installation can be done by the button here, and it takes just a few seconds. This way, your web client will be just one click away. Thank you for your time.